Alright, so we're about to lop off the front end of this thing. Instructions say go find this doohickey. So this is for the short arm kit. So you find this,
it's called the jog.
the jog in the frame, go from there and then measure 1.5 inches. So do that on both sides, draw yourself a line, and then up here, cut from this line, but then you follow it around this. Right there, look at it. So you just follow the damn instructions they have on the website. It's that easy. So, boom, cut against that, cut against, and then go straight down. So, got to draw me a line over there still. But then we'll start cutting.
Perfect.
Oh, just like that, she's cut the fuck off, you know? What'd you say you see in there?
The 80s. This side's kind of blockage, but that side over there, so that's screaming the 80s.
Ick. Damn, son. Oh, I hear a dog. Rusty. Rusty! What's up, big shooter?
Hey, buddy.
What's up?
You like Camaros? I guess so.
Oh, look out, brother.
What? I don't smell that good.
What's up, buddy? He's like, oh, fucking stinks back here. See you, bud. Well, so you just saw the front end of this car get cut off, and now, just like with a snap of a fingers, it already has the whole tube front put onto it. So, we slapped this together last night pretty quickly and kind of forgot to record. So, yeah, here it is. It was that quick. Pretty much just square up your cuts with a angle grinder and abrasive pad. Make sure that they are symmetrical this way. The frame horns, put them on, take a measurement, make sure that it's square, put something on the front bars to make sure that it is lining up parallel and level. So you're gonna want a nice big level, couple levels, one right here going this way, one right here going this way, one going this way, basically across the frame, or up here to double check, and then tack it up. You can kind of play with it, move it up and down and tack it, get it to hold, move it a little, but it works really well. I got these bars cleaned up for welding. Kind of had to play with the notch on the down bars or the fender bars, so this one's just got to be pushed down. That one I didn't have to mess with. That one was really mint. This is pushed forward a little bit from the bumper, but now we know where our little bar needs to go for the bumper and stuff. And then we got all the other parts right here. So we'll show you the process of these ones. These are pretty important too. I'm gonna throw some pictures of kind of the process that we had, and sorry we kind of effed that up, but yeah, so bumper and fender mounts, bumper mount and whatnot, fender mounts. So yeah. Alright, so we got the Everlast on. About to weld out these 4 joints on the tube front end and got them tacked up. Get this out of the way, and then we got that bumper support right there. That'll go next, but figured we should just weld this out, and then we'll stick the bumper on, get that in place, tack it up, and then take it off and weld that back out. And then get the fender supports out of the way, and the thing will basically be done. So I'll put you on time lapse, we'll weld this out and get her done. Okay, a little update on the tube front end. We got the headlight brackets all tacked in and just gotta weld those out. We're gonna take off the tube front end real quick, and then I'll get all this all burned in. The rest of the bumper support, and then the bumper bracket right here. Get that TIG welded up. So we're gonna pull this off and then finish this up. I'll get to MIG welding that and then TIG weld the rest of it. Otherwise, coming out good. Cage is done. Just got to tack in a couple bars here.